Hi there, thanks for coming to cvventertainment.com and to check out the secret ingredient for my barbecue wings. So here it is. I'm going to add butter, okay? Butter, yes. I'm adding butter to this, to my uncooked wings before I put them into the oven. So you can either use Pam, something like Pam, and just spray it over your chicken, or you can actually melt butter. I'm actually using butter, okay? So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually kind of pour it over my wings here, the butter. And what the butter does, you guys, oh my gosh, if you want your meat to really fall off the bone, if you want your meat to be really tender, go ahead and add some butter. So that is the secret ingredient for these wings. Okay, thank you so much, and make sure that you keep coming back to see more secret ingredients.